Who's the tough cookie in your life? You know, that person who makes things hard for you. They're tough to crack. Maybe they're set in their ways and it's like talking to a brick wall. Maybe they see themselves as iron-willed, but all you know is that they won't cave a millimeter if you try to squeeze them.
Oh, no, I know Trent. Yeah, he's a tough cookie.
Ready?
Yeah, but that's okay. You know what you do with tough cookies, don't you?
No.
Dip them in milk.
Ted's telling us here that when we face tough cookies in our work life, it's on us to find a way to soften them, not by becoming hard ourselves, but by bringing warmth and understanding to the table. This approach is not about changing others, but transforming how we engage with challenges, making us more effective leaders. So, how do we apply this in real life? Here's a few strategies. First, really listen. Before you react, take time to truly understand where the other person is coming from. Listening can often reveal the softening agent that you need. Second, demonstrate your empathy. Show that you care, not just about the outcome, but about the person and their experience. Third, be flexible. Be willing to adjust your approach. Sometimes a slight change in your strategy, willingness to give a little, can make all the difference. And finally, provide positive reinforcement. Recognize and appreciate the efforts and good qualities of the tough cookies around you. A little recognition goes a long way in softening attitudes. Leadership isn't about forcing change, but inspiring it through our actions and reactions. If you'd like a page with these 4 strategies spelled out, just drop me a DM with your email address and I'll send you a handout with a summary.